Hello, this is Andrea Cardi from Virtualissimo, and in this video today I'm going to show you how to subtitle your content on YouTube. First of all, you need to go into your Creator Studio. So you can do it either from this button or up from your user icon. I'm just going to do it from here right now. Okay, you need to be in your video manager so you can see all your videos that are listed. Every video that has been subtitled would have this icon next to it. CC stands for closed caption, so they would already have subtitles. So videos that don't have that are the ones that haven't been subtitled yet. So I'm just going to pick one, and let's see, this one, it's not HD, so not high definition, and it doesn't have closed caption content either. It's been made public and there has been one view on it. And if you would like to get more views on your videos, the statistics and analytics show that if you have subtitles on your videos, people are more likely to watch it and complete viewing the video. So if you haven't got a video in your video manager yet that you're uploading, what you do is basically, okay, I'm just going to drop a video into the upload window. I'm just going to need to find one. Just bear with me a second because I'm not showing the I'm not showing my videos. Okay, let's do this one. Okay, so I'm just dragging it over from a different screen that I have. As you can see, the privacy setting has been set to unlisted, but just for the purpose of this video, I'm going to set it to private. Oh, not public. I will set it to private. Here we go. Okay, so this has started uploading. You can see the progress bar up the top. This is for the title, which takes the name of the file, the video file, and just puts it in there. If you want to change it to whatever, that's up to you. And here you can add your description and your tags. If you watched my other videos about how to create default upload content for your videos, then that would have told you how to get some default content into these fields. So, okay, I just want to keep this on private, and I'm not going to add it to any playlist or add thumbnails to it, basically, because I just want to get the subtitling done. So once you hit the done button, it will come up like this, but from a subtitling point of view, YouTube is still preparing the file. So even if you go into your video manager, let's have a look. So it comes up right on the top. You can either open the video from just clicking on the title, or you can go in the edit menu and just go subtitles, CC, and that will take you right to the subtitles tab. There you go, and the auto subtitles, the automatic subtitles haven't been added yet because the video hasn't been fully processed. So you can add your own subtitles though and your own transcriptions, and you can even search in what language you want to add your subtitles in. That is when you have certain letters in languages other than English that are not used in English, and those characters will be made available to you as well. So, but at this stage, I just want to go for English United Kingdom. Okay, now if you have what we call an SRT file or a file format for subtitles or captions that is accepted by YouTube, this is where you can upload it. Or this is, let's click on it and see what happens. Okay, it'll just give you the option to upload either a transcript or a subtitle file. Okay, but we don't want that just yet, so we'll go back. We'll go back to the video manager. Okay, let's go back to subtitles. Here we go. Okay, so we wanted United Kingdom. This is a little bit cumbersome, which is why I like waiting for the video to be processed by YouTube so I can start with the automatic subtitles. So if you want to transcribe and auto sync, that basically gives you a window where you can type in as the video is playing, and every time you start typing, if this is ticked, pause video while typing, so every time you start typing, the video will pause, and then you have to just click on this button to keep playing. And once that's finished, all you need to do is hit the set timings button, and YouTube will do its best to match your transcription to the actual speech in the video. You can also download the file or upload the transcription file here if you like, but this is not the option that we're looking for at the moment. Oh, here we go. This is just the subtitling that we started doing. So the automatic is still not available. Let's see what other options are available for this. Adding new subtitles will override the existing ones. That's fine. I don't mind, because this is just for demonstration purposes only. But if you want to create your own subtitles and closed captions, you need the bottom part, which will give you the window where you can basically, you can type it in, type the text in, what you want in the subtitles, and down here it will help you set the timing, which is, it's really, really fiddly. So I don't really use it, to be honest, but for some types of videos, or for some people, it might be more convenient than the other options that are available. So what you basically do is you hit the play button. Okay, so hello, this is Andrea Cowdy from Virtualissimo. Okay, you hit the plus button, and as you see, it created this little card on the bottom, which will be your caption, and then you can move on to the next one. Okay, so this is where you want to add to the bottom. If you hit that, that will just add another text in there. Let's see what happens. Oh, there you go. So it even adds in the timing. So this is where you can enter your text. So as you can see, this little indicator that shows you where the subtitle card ends and begins, these blue ones. This is the beginning, and this is the end, and the little red arrow that tells you where the video is at. So if I click play, okay, I want to go back further. Let's see. Okay, so the text here is, and I'm coming live to you today. And I want that section right behind the previous one. Okay, see if the subtitle matches up with the video. Okay, well, that's pretty good. So you can just keep going like this until you finish off the video, and you can extend your subtitle, how long it lasts, so you can make it last shorter depending on the video and the speed of the speaker. And once you've done that, all you need to do is save changes. There you go, and you will get publishing. Click up to date. Oh, yeah, click to update. So this is still publishing. So I want to go back. I can publish this. So now it comes up as published. So if you go back into it again, this top button change to unpublished. So if you want to not show the captions, then you can just go unpublished, and that will you will not lose the caption file. It will just not show the captions on the video. So if I play this now, see, that's still there, so you haven't lost it. So whenever you open this video and go back and publish the captions, they will be there. Okay, so all right, we won't need the draft because what we're really going for is the automatic captions. Okay, so let's see. Sometimes you have to go into the video manager and go back into the video again for those to come up. Okay, well that's still not available. We're waiting for the button to come up here that says automatic. But at this stage, the closed caption button is there. If I play the video, let's see, put the captions on. Oh, I can only put it on when it's playing. Okay. Okay. And see what's happening. I'm pressing the CC button and nothing comes up because there are no subtitles published. Okay. So we'll just wait around. I'm just going to put the recording on pause and wait around for the automatic captions to come up. Okay, so it just took a few minutes for those captions to appear. So the automatic English captions have been published. I can actually go into the automatic captions and do my own editing to make sure that it's accurate for spelling and for grammar and all that sort of stuff. So as you can see, just from the first line that says, hello, this is Andrea Cardi, C-A-R-D-I, from virtually Samoa, which is not really what I said, was it? So I want to go and edit it. So I can do that through the edit button. And just do some editing that will show up real time. If you watch the screen down the bottom, this slide or this card for the caption, as I'm editing it up here, it'll show down here. Okay, so hello, this is Andrea Cowdy from Virtualissimo, and I'm coming live to you today to invite you to my live chat webinar for the 5th of February. That's happening at 12 p.m. Sydney time. Okay, I want a full stop there. And as you can see, the caption itself is being edited. The overlay on the video is being edited as we speak. Okay, you can make it as neat and tidy as you want. I like to make it so there are no orphans in the text, as in no just single words in a sentence at the end or at the beginning of a line. So now this looks pretty neat. This live webinar that I prepared is for those entrepreneurs who run their business intuitively or are in the intuitive business. Okay. Excellent. This red indicator shows where in the video I am while playing. If I want to go back to the beginning, if I'm moving the indicator, you can see it on the left-hand side panel that the red line and the highlight jumps to whatever subtitle belongs to that particular part of the video. The blue highlight shows the subtitle part or card that I edited last, which was this one. So let's see what this says and if it lines up with my speech. Have a look. Okay, so from what I can hear, this lines up really well. You have the same blue tabs that you had seen previously. And you can do the same thing with them, like move the subtitles, start in the beginning part of them up and down to line up if you need to edit some major parts of the text. So once you're done, all the way to the end of the video, what you need to do is you need to save the changes. Otherwise, you're going to end up with the previous version subtitles. So now you have two versions published. You have the English one and the English automatic. The English was or is the version that I've edited. So you want that. That is what you want. If you leave the English automatic on, that will be the one without all the editing that you did. So I usually go back and I just unpublish because that doesn't need to be on there. Here we go. So I unpublish that. So now when you go back, and open the subtitling tab for the video again. See, this is the one that I've actually edited, and this is the one that is in now draft mode because I unpublished it so people can't see it. So this is basically how you subtitle a video. It's a little bit fiddly, but you have many different options if you have the time, but it's definitely worth it for SEO value as well as for the delight of your audience. A lot of people can watch videos without the sound on and just by subtitles, and a lot of people actually watch the video with sound and the subtitles on because it helps them with comprehension as well. So I hope you find this video useful, and if you want more tips and information on how to make the most out of your video content, hit the subscribe button on this video and make sure that you click the little bell up the top to get notifications every time I post a new video on my channel. We'll see you next time.